Mom just got mad. It's just the kitchen. Okay, that's the drama for about it. Let's wash the bowl. Let's go for this. Okay, let's check. Okay, I'm ready for the three, but don't that about me and
Here we go again.
Liam. I can't do anything, so don't worry. Oh, I. Okay, no.
I'll go check
That's
who's
not
writing
very
to
good for
me.
the okay, let's leave the doorbell. Mom, just open the freaking gate. No, that's freaking point. Just put it in. What? Let's go. Thanks for calling me brave, Mom. But I just need you to like open the gate so I can see his face. What's that doing there? Okay, he said this. He said it. I'm not thinking it. Bro, this game is actually like so weird. Literally like how was maybe
Where are
it
you
was actually
going?
it's a production. Bro. So this is so weird. But let's just go with the doorbell and I don't know my dad. Oh, there is
Just
no.
kick the ball already.
Okay, she saw this so bad this time. Actually, yeah, open the gate. Okay, let's go in. I try to think. I forget it's like what? Why is my what? How do I fix? What is this? Okay, I really don't know what to do. That's it. Big wall. That's it.
Why?
Don't. Oh, they have another day. What's this? What's this? This is a social game. No, I don't know. Like music. I'm not good. This vehicle. School. Okay, we should
I would show them how it's done.
now just don't come out to here. Wait, this is I'm surprised.
I need to go pee.
I'm so pissed.
You know what? Even the doorbell is mine. To go water the plants.
W transform. I was looking back here. Oh my!
Oh, what a relief.
Why don't you close the door now? I'm out. Oh my gosh, that was yeah. That's let's go back to that. Anyway, check the rest of the instructions. This is for can you come to me? Oh, this is my dad. I wasn't gonna think with this. Okay, let's see menu. Okay. We roll back they will die. I'm gonna wait to go through. Okay. I just need to hear dad like say something there and then you know. What is this? Look. By the way, I didn't say any intro. Hello? I'm gonna be ringing the doorbell until mom just eventually opens the gate for me. I don't know how many lives I have. I think I only have one in the place.
Who needs me there?
Oh my god, I thought it actually said. Okay, but that's case, that's it, normal. I hopefully this time um opens the gate. she's actually further away.
I'll show you.
Yeah, Mom, show them who's boss and just open that gate. Cause this is just bad. I don't want to study math. Okay, she's opening the gate right now. If she's not, she's. Oh my god, wow!
Who's that brave out there?
I don't know, Mom. Maybe it's me. Anyway, it's like voice here. So yeah.
Come on, pass, pass! Come on, come on!
Let's just see. 3, 2, 1. She's so opening it right now. Is she? Is she? Mom.
Oh, terrible.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
She just opened the freaking gate. It's so close to 8 minutes. Wait, this looks like Minecraft, like, you know, okay? I don't know.
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Okay, 3, 2, 1. If she's not opening this right now, I'm actually gonna be mad. What? I actually hate the box. Wait, literally. Hey, H-A-T-E, I hate you. You hear that, Mom? It goes, where does the picture in rotation, my Mom?
Well, where? Pass it!
All right, I have to water the plants.
I'm not gonna cook.
Where are you going?
Close the freaking door. Oh my god, I'm scared! Please, Mom. Please. Don't scare me! Don't! Where are you? Oh no!
To him! Damn it.
Okay, let me just eat it. Because, yeah.
The team is full of idiots.
Is she back in? Nope. Is that?
Oh, something's pressing. I will go to the toilet.
That is going to say it. We'll go catch some more dollars.
Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is actually... I'm doing a video. Okay. What's up guys, go ahead and subscribe. Bro, I just recorded that here.
Check the phone.
Yeah, guys, go check. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to pay. Okay. Okay, she can open the door right now. Guys, could this be it? Could this be it? Seriously? Seriously, bro? It's me, Mom. You gotta understand I'm brave and I'm gonna escape. Got everything. Nothing that I could need it. Just as you need it. Daddy, look at this. Wait, I just need to read this. It's not something to What? Okay. Wait, you might open it right here. Watch this. Wait, let me go back in my room before she goes here. Okay. Ah! He scared the video on. That's a video boss. That's really a yeah, it's so good. Don't scare me. Okay. Guys, this one. Is this patch? Am I just wasting my time? I feel like I'm just wasting my time. I thought she was gonna open it right there, Dad. I just need this message to be funny. Oh god, that's so weird. Oh my god, Charlie, watch this. Dad. Excellent.
Terrible!
I'm doing a video. I'm talking on the paper. Okay. He's here already, bro.
Come on!
Okay. God damn, just string balls. You know what? Mom, you're rage because I'm rage quitting over You wanna water the class? Then why going inside? Okay. I just wanna see.
The team is full of idiots!
No, come on. This is doing it. I'm gonna make sure it's open today at like about
Who needs me there anyway? Hmm?
There's no opening it right there. What? You opened it! You opened it! I'm out! Damn! Guys, I'm out! Ah! Is it the baddest thing possible? How foolish it was for me to do this great open. I do hear it so many, but I think that just an easy opportunity. Who cares? I'm the greatest game! It's 22 minutes. Hey, man.